Okay, well, we got a type called user here with two required properties, which they are name and age. Name is defined as a string, and age is defined as a number. And here we got an object created as of type user. The newly created type user here earlier with the following values. And here we print the values here in this line. Let's say we have a case where we got a partially data, or better say we don't have all the entirely data. Doing this won't work because both data types are required by this type. We can fix this by creating a new type called partial user, where we put both values. Name, first is name as optional, defined as a string, and age as optional, defined as a number. And then we use this type in our object. It'll work with an empty object though, also will work with just a part of them. But we got a problem here when we want to add new data to our user type. Let's say we want to add gender as male, for example. Yet we can use this type in our object because clearly gender property is not part of the partial user here. Then we're gonna copy gender property here as an optional and as a string and paste in this user type, but we'll be maintaining our user type in two places. To fix this, Typescript has a better way to do this. We can use the same type as a partial user, okay? And with this, we're telling Typescript that this type can take all of properties of user type or just some of them. If we remove, for example, we can add a new properties as of the user type, or just remove one of them, or we put this one as an empty object. It'll still working in both cases.